In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix something went wrong on Google Gemini. If you've run into that message, don't worry. It usually points to a temporary connection or browser hiccup, and you can often get back on track in just a couple of minutes. I'll walk you through 3 simple things to try, in order, and explain why each one helps so you know exactly what's happening behind the scenes. First, toggle your internet connection. Turn your Wi-Fi or mobile data off, wait about 10 to 15 seconds, and then turn it back on. This quick reset forces your device to request a fresh connection from your router or network, which can clear up brief dropouts and DNS glitches that lead to the error. Once you've turned the connection back on, return to Google Gemini and try again. Refresh the page or resubmit your prompt to see if the error clears. Give it a moment. Sometimes, the fix takes a second to kick in as your device re-establishes a stable link. If the message still appears, close the browser tab where Gemini is open and then open it again. Make sure you actually close the tab, not just switch away from it. On a phone, swipe the tab away. On a computer, click the X on the tab. Then open a fresh tab and go back to the Gemini page. This clears that specific tab's session state and reloads all the page resources, which can resolve issues caused by a partial or stuck load. Still seeing the error? Clear your browser cache and try opening Gemini again. Your cache is a temporary storage of images and files that helps sites load faster, but if any of those stored files are outdated or corrupted, they can cause repeated errors. In your browser settings, look for options like History or Privacy, then choose Clear Browsing Data and select Cached Images and Files. You only need to clear the cache, not anything else. After you clear it, fully close your browser, reopen it, and navigate back to Gemini. The first load might be a touch slower as the browser downloads fresh files, but that clean set usually fixes stubborn loading problems. That's it. Start by toggling Wi-Fi or data, then close and reopen the tab, and finally clear your browser cache and try again. Following these steps in order addresses the most common causes of the "something went wrong" message without overcomplicating things. Give each step a fair try, and you should be back to using Google Gemini smoothly.